In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an event calendar in Elementor. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, and then open the page where you want the calendar to appear using the Elementor editor. You can either create a new page or edit an existing one. Once Elementor loads, you'll see your page preview in the main area and the Elementor panel on the left. On the left side, you'll find a list of widgets you can add to your page. Use the search bar at the top of that panel and type Event Calendar, or scroll until you find the Event Calendar widget. Click and drag this widget into the section of your page where you want the calendar to appear. As soon as you drop it in, you'll see a default calendar appear in the preview, and its settings will show up in the left panel. With the widget selected, make sure you're on the Content tab in the Elementor panel. Under the Events section, choose your source. You can pull events manually or from other sources like Google or specific events plugins, but for this walkthrough, we'll use the manual option. Next, pick the layout you prefer, either a traditional calendar view or a table view. You can then edit the event title that appears. If you want to add more events, click the Add Item button. Each event can be expanded by clicking on it, revealing more detailed settings. Inside each event's general settings, set the event title, and if you like, add an event link, such as a registration page or more information. You can enable redirect to that event link so visitors are taken there when they click the event. Choose whether it's an all-day event and set the start and end dates. You can also customize the appearance by choosing the event background color, text color, and the pop-up ribbon color. Still under the Content tab, look for the Calendar section to adjust overall calendar behavior and display options, such as navigation, starting day of the week, and other layout controls, depending on your widget version. To fine-tune the design, switch to the Style tab. Here you'll find controls for the calendar's overall look, including the day and date styling, time labels, list view styling, event boxes, and the event pop-up. Adjust typography, colors, spacing, and borders until the calendar matches your site's design. For even more control, go to the Advanced tab. This is where you can tweak layout margins and padding, apply motion effects, transforms, backgrounds, borders, masks, and responsive behavior. You can also add custom attributes and custom CSS if you're comfortable with code, which is helpful for more precise control on different devices. When you're happy with how everything looks and functions, don't forget to save your work. Click the Update button if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if this is a new page. After that, preview your page on the front end to make sure the calendar appears and behaves exactly as you expect. That's all you need to add and customize an event calendar in Elementor.